Welcome back. Previously, we learned about an informal letter and we identified an example of a question of an informal letter. Before, when a question is given to you, what to do? What is the first thing to do? We identified that, first of all, you have to look for the type of composition. The second thing is that you have to also look for the features of that composition. Then the third thing to do is to identify the content or what the question is requesting for. In this lesson, we shall be looking at semi-formal letter. And at the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able to identify the meaning and part of a semi-formal letter. What is a semi-formal letter? This type of letter is written to adults. So, semi-formal letter. So, these are written to adults. Adults who are known to us. For instance, your uncle, aunt, grandfather or grandmother, mother, father, and adults who are not known to us, such as pen friends who live outside. So adults who are known to us and adults who are not known to us who live outside, as it appears on the screen. So in all, they are written to adults. The language used in this type is not very official. So the language is not official. Now, official refers to, that is, the features are not official. The features, the part of a semi-formal letter is not official. Example, the address. We have the semi-formal letter only contains one address and not two addresses. That makes it not very official. Also, so the address is only one. It's only one. Then the next thing is also can be identified as there is no title. No title, okay? No title or heading. Also contracted words such as won't, can't, etc. cannot be used. And also there's no need for a signature. There's no need for a signature as a subscription. Now let us identify the part of a semi-formal letter. The address. The address is the same as the informal letter. You can use the same address. The date, the same date. The greetings or salutation. So with the greetings, then you have to identify a greeting such as dear uncle, dear auntie, dear father. You can write the person's name. Very good. The body or the message of the letter. Closing or ending, that is subscription. So it means that with the greetings, as I said, these are the difficult aspects. Greetings. You can say, dear uncle. Or you can write the name. Dear Uncle Kofi. Very good. Then I also said about the body or the message of the letter. That is the message, what the question is requesting for, or what you want to write to the person, the adult. Then we move to the closing or the ending, subscription. How do you subscribe? As I said, subscription. You don't have to write a signature. Just write yours faithfully, or yours daughter, or yours son. Son or daughter, etc. The next thing is the writer's name. Then you write your name as well, as it appears in the informal letter. We can do the same thing here. The writer's name. So after writing yours faithfully, then you write Daniel. You can write your full name. Writer's name. That is Daniel Darko. Very good. So far we have studied about the semi-formal letter, and we have identified the meaning of the semi-formal letter as letters that are written to adults, both known and unknown, such as the known ones are the uncles, our fathers, our mothers, grandfathers, etc. In the next lesson, we shall be looking at semi-formal letters. We shall identify an example of a question in the semi-formal letter. See you in the next lesson.